How to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to appeal TikTok community guideline violations. Now go to your browser. After you open your browser like this, now go to search and search for this website wiki. So from this option, now here is the name of the website. Now delete this Facebook and type in TikTok like this. So here is it now, dash TikTok. So go and type in this website wikihow.com/contact-tiktok. So I'll give you the link of this website in the comment section of this video. Go and open the link like this. So as you can see now, after you open the website like this, now scroll to down. So here is it now, tap on this paste website. As you can see now, here is the paste link. Tap on this paste link. I'll open the link now. So now here is the link and open it. So in order for you to get the link to open it for you, as you can see now, sometimes if the link is not opening for you, tap on this three dots sometimes and make your browser into desktop site. But now my own is has opened. So in this session now, go ahead and select topic. So scroll to down. So in this option now, go ahead and report a potential violation, this one. So tap on this category. So scroll to down, content violation or account violation. Go and choose one of them. So let's say my one is content violation. So scroll to down and tap on this reason for reporting. So tap on this option, scroll to down, community guidelines violation, this one. So from there now, if I tap on this continue button, it will keep asking me some question. Then from there, it will ask me for my email address and username for the TikTok. From there, they will resolve my problem. So they will reach out to me using the email address that I gave them, and they will possibly give me some information about my community guideline violation. Hope this video helps you out on how to appeal TikTok community guidelines violation. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you out.